Let's take a look at this problem. We got 2x to the third, y to the negative 2, raised to the negative 3 power. Now there's different ways you can handle this particular problem. I'm going to focus on what's inside the parentheses first. I'll follow my order of operations. Order of operations says to handle what's inside the parentheses, and right away I notice I got a negative exponent. So we're going to create a fraction. So I'll put the 2x to the third, y to the negative 2 over 1. Because I know how you get rid of a negative exponent is you move it opposite where it's at in a fraction. So the y to the negative 2 I'll move down below. And we'll have 2x to the third. When I take the y to the negative 2 down below, it becomes y to the positive 2. And the 1 disappears. Now there's nothing left to do inside the parentheses. We got a property that says if you got a fraction to a negative power, you flip the fraction, take reciprocal of it. So I'll have y squared over 2x to the third, and then this negative 3 becomes a positive 3. Now we got a property that says if everything inside the parentheses is either multiplication or division, you're raising the parentheses to a power, you can take everything inside of that power. So we're going to take the y to the second power to the third power. We'll take 2 to the third power and x cubed to the third power. So we're going to have y squared to the third power, 2 to the third power, and x to the third power. Now remember, when you're raising an exponent to another exponent, you multiply them together. So 2 times 3 is 6. We're going to have y to the 6. Now 2 to the third, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And here we got x to the third raised to the third power, so we'll multiply the exponents. 3 times 3 is 9, so we got x to the ninth. And that's our answer.